How to fix Snapchat updating messages on Android phone. Hello guys, today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Snapchat updating messages on Android phone. First open settings and then scroll down until you find here apps, and now click apps again, and here just type here Snapchat and then click on it, and now click force stop and then click storage, and now click clear cache, and after that just go back and try again. And if that doesn't fix your problem, it means that you need to update your Snapchat. So just go to Play Store and type your Snapchat and check if there's any updates, and then update your Snapchat, and that's it. Then just restart your phone and try again, and your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like, and see you in the next video.